Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariana Jolie, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY Ikea vanity dupe, because originally the Ikea Alex vanity cost nearly $300 and nobody got time to be spending that much money, so I personally would rather get something a lot cheaper and it's an exact replica. So pretty much you just buy like 2 of the Ashland letterpress drawers from Michaels. You can get them from Michaels, and obviously they have sales. They always got sales going on. They got coupons. They always have like 50% off coupons, 60% off coupons, and if you want to, you can like just buy one and get that 50% off, you know, or whatever coupon they have at the time. Most likely it's going to be at least like over 50% off, if not 40% off. But if you want to, when you're at the checkout, when you're buying the drawers, you can just do 2 different transactions so that you can get, you know, the discount on both drawers. So that's what I did, and then I also went to Home Depot to buy a tabletop, and it's only $12. I'll be sure to link everything down in the description so you can see like the exact measurements that I got, exactly what I bought and everything. So yeah, pretty much I'm gonna show you like a DIY makeup storage, vanity, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, it was really tedious and time consuming, I'm not gonna lie, but overall I'm just very glad that I was able to do this, and as you can see in the back, it's all done. I'm just very excited. I still need to put all my makeup away, so I'm gonna do that after I'm done with this video. But yes, I am so glad that I did this. I am very glad, because I had like this plastic drawer thing where I kept my makeup in, and it's just overflowing, and I just really needed something better to organize my makeup in, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just really glad that I was finally like able to put this together. If you've seen my what I got for Christmas video, you've seen that I got these for Christmas, but I just haven't gotten around to putting them together, and I finally was able to put them together today. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, but before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel with your post notifications turned on. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Let's just get into this video. Shall we?
So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day.
Okay, so I'm at Home Depot and I got the tabletop, the vanity top. This is called the melamine board, and these are the exact measurements. If you want to, you can go ahead and take a screenshot on your screen. We're just checking out. And just like that, we're out the door. Walking into the sunset.
I want to check out all these too.
And as you can see, these are the drawers that I got. These are the Ashland letterpress drawers. You can get them at Michaels. They were $100 originally, but they were 50% off. But then we got a 20% off coupon, because Michaels has a bunch of coupons. So it took off a lot of money. Like, well, not a lot, but $10. So like, yeah, that's a lot. Alright, so I'm back, and now I'm about to start building the drawers. Just a little self-promo, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so as you can see, I just finished building my Alec Vanity Dupe, and honestly, my mom saved herself a lot of money because these drawers are literally under $100 and the Alec's drawers are like almost $300, and you know, it's just a good money saver, and it literally looks like an exact replica of the Alec's drawers. And so I'm just really happy that, you know, I finally have a better makeup storage to put all my makeup in. I might make a separate video of me like showing you guys my makeup collection, since I finally have like a nice pretty, you know, organizer for you guys to look at. So yes, I finally got this done. It's very easy. As you can see, you see me build it. All you do is just simply read the manual. It's straightforward. It seems hard once you take all the, you know, tools and all the items out, but you literally just follow the directions and you just have it done in no time. Honestly, it took like about 2 hours to build each drawer set, and the tabletop, I needed my mom's assistance to, like, you know, do that because it was like a 2-person type of thing. So yes, it was just pretty simple. So I'm just overall happy. I finally have like a nice makeup storage, and I can like do my makeup, you know, on a nice vanity. So yes, I might like save up and get like a vanity mirror like one of these days, but that'll be later because I have a nice small mirror that I can use, and that'll just do me fine. But so that is pretty much the end of the video. If you liked this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to have 1,600 subscribers by the end of January. I hope we can do it. Can we not? I don't know. I think we can do it. I hope we can. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Also comment some suggestions on some future videos, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. And that is pretty much all I have to say. So again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. And I get high with my baby. Oh. I'm literally sitting in a basket right now. But wow.